B20 is a creative and strategic incubator designed to give students a look into the world of marketing and advertising.
We're working with the United Entertainment Group to fulfill an RFP, a request for proposal, from Speedo Fit.
We have 4 teams competing today. If they win, they get $5,000 to split among the 4 team members, as well as a trip to New York where they get to shadow UEG executives. This is an integrated campaign, so they can take aspects of, marketing, advertising, PR, social. It's a great test for their skills.
The UEG executives are really all about helping us learn about how the actual process works. So they're going around, they're being really helpful to all the groups, they're giving us some really good advice.
We pride ourselves in giving our students experiential learning opportunities. They get this through a lot of our different classes, but this is a kind of different experiment in which it's a very compressed period of time.
I did this before our class before, but we had like 3 months to prepare, and doing the entire process in one day is definitely a challenge.
SOC has definitely prepared me for this. A lot of my assignments in my graduate program have been real-world applicable.
It's all the things that we've been learning throughout my 4 years in the public relations program, but applying it in a real-life scenario in such a limited time is really bringing out so much creativity and so much teamwork within my group members.
For them, it's a great opportunity to experience a little bit of what this industry has to offer. And for us, it's a great way to meet the next generation of creative talent.
It's just this wonderful opportunity to be able to make those connections and network.
I have not seen any opportunities like this anywhere else, and this is really unique for my future because it could lead to a potential job.
By coming to American University and being a part of the School of Communications program, I'm able to get experience I would absolutely not get anywhere else.
When you take the breadth of communication students that we have in the school and put them all together, some really great things can happen.